Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make apple dessert pancake. So simple, but incredibly delicious. Watch my hands, let's go! Don't forget preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Core and cut apples into slices. You can also peel it if you want. So cut it and set aside. Melt butter in a skillet over medium-low heat. Stir in sugar and cinnamon and remove the skillet from heat. Arrange apple slices in the skillet, overlapping slightly. Return the skillet to heat and cook over low heat for 10 minutes or until apples are tender crisp. Meanwhile, prepare a batter for the pancake. First, separate egg whites from egg yolks. In a medium-sized bowl, add egg yolks, milk, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, all-purpose flour and baking powder. Beat it with a whisk until blended. Set aside. In smaller bowl with a mixer at high speed, beat egg whites slightly. Add sugar and keep beating until soft peaks form, about 5 minutes. Fold the egg whites mixture into the egg yolk mixture. Be careful and gentle to keep the mixture airy. And spread this mixture evenly over apple slices in the skillet. Smoothen the top slightly with a spatula. Put it in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the pancake is set and turned golden brown. Wow! Using a knife or a spatula, loosen edges of the pancake from the skillet. Carefully flip the pancake onto a warm platter. Add a little bit of toasted sliced almonds on top and serve immediately. It is way better while it's still warm and just baked. With ice cream, whipped cream or just as it is. It's good anyway, believe me. It's so tender, so delicious, and it smells amazing. Apple, cinnamon, vanilla. It's so festive. And you know, it really reminds me la tarte tatin. Why are you still here? You need it right now, right away. Alexi, what do you say?
Oh my god, it smells so beautifully. There's vanilla, there's apple, there's caramel. Oh my god. I like that it's so fluffy. It's so tender. I like that there's a lot of textures in here. Oh my god. I can't stop on one piece, definitely. It must be served warm because it's so good. I approve. I have already finished one piece. Well, I need another one. It's not just me. Everyone needs to have this amazing pancake. It's so good. Thank you.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for likes and comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, see you soon, bye.